Hi, I'm Gursimran and I'm back with another video, and in this video we'll be talking about describe images. See, like other items, describe image is another crucial item of PT speaking, and it is not that of a tough deal to be talked about. Now, let me tell you, there are two certain things which you have to keep in mind. Number one is the proper opening and a closing format of the describe image, so that you know that where you want to start it from and where you're going to end it. Number two, 35 seconds which you get prior of your recording, you have to divide the image into two equal halves. Now the first half should be constituting of what all the image is about, like the X or Y axis and the categories, and number two should be the major trends, that is the high, low and maybe the fluctuations, and then you have to simply conclude it in given 35 seconds. You shouldn't be speaking more than that, because the more you speak, more will be the chances of stammering. Thank you so much.